building continues quietly and deliberately in communities, in businesses, and in the lives of people still finding their footing.
We soon come back. Where's the code?
Okay guys, I used to do track and field, but I'm not in the football business anymore. I'm Sammy Bad.
Yo, this Applemet News, me just got a call, season a start.
Okay.
Hello? Where say? League start? Or soon come?
Johnny! Hello? Alright.
Yo, you can't go to the ball. Where you go to the ball?
Oh, sorry.